Chains on me from Phineas and Ferb, but I'm incredibly sick, and I sound like Dan Povenmire?
I woke up this morning and the world was grey. I haven't seen the sun since they hauled me away. The boss man says there's no use in trying. He won't let me color outside the lights. Got these shades on me and they're dragging me down. Got these shades on me, you hear that clanking sound. Got these shades on me, mister, hear my song. Don't say imagination is morally wrong.